Hello everyone, welcome to another chapter in Jinko Electronics channel. In this chapter, we are going to be investigating on how to count in the 4 basic number system. The decimal number system is the most used system globally, so we are using it as a reference to learn how to do others. Stay tuned and let's proceed. Let's do 0 to 10. 0, 1, 10. Watch. Once 9 is the maximum from 0 to 9. Once it enters 9, this 9 will turn to 0 and you carry over 1, making it 10. Because 9 is the maximum of the decimal system. Octal 2, the same thing. 0, 1. 7 is the maximum. If you count, it's 8 numbers. So it must carry over this 7 now. The next one will be 0, 1, 10, 11, 12. The same thing with binary. Let me start from here now. 0 is 0, 1 is 1, 2 now, because 1 is the maximum, so it will be 0, 1, 11. Now this 11 is the maximum of these digits, so all of them will be zeros. 0, 0, 1. We go again. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Then we'll go to 1, 1, 1. All of them now, these are the maximum. So it could be 0, this will be 0, this will be 0. You add 1. Then 0, 0, 1, 0. Let me rule them. 1, 2. Twelve, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Remember, 7 is the largest, so it will change to 0. To be 0, 2, 21, 22. In binary 2. 11 is B. B. We can continue. Then this will be 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. Then 16. So now 1 is 99 is the maximum. 1A, 1B. So 28. 28 binary. Yes. Yes. 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 10. 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. is 1C, 1D, 1E, 1F, 20 is 20, 21. Okay, I think with this we get the idea that once the digit reach its maximum in any of the base, it must change to 0 and you carry 1. You can see now this F is the maximum, change to 0. You add 1 to this, will be 20. That's how you go. So I think this one is an eye opener for us. Then we can go to the conversion method. Let's say I want to convert 28 now to 34. How do we do it? Well, we divide by the base we want to convert. So we divide it by 8 to be 28, divide by 8. Now 8 into this 28 is 3 times. Remainder 4. 8. Now 8 into 3 to be 0. Remember 3. You now pick it. So it will be 28 is equals to what? 34, 8. And if we check, we can see it. Now if I want to change 1C into decimal, let's say 1C to decimal. So we are going to expand it. Remember, this is 0, this is 1. So we have 1 times 16 raised to power 1 plus C is what? C is 12. So it will be 12 times. So this 16 plus 12, which is what? 28. That's it. Let's convert this binary to decimal. 11100. 11100 to decimal. We expand. So 012. When we are converting from base 10 to other bases, that is maybe from base 10 to base 8, we divide the number by the base we want to convert to. Then when we are converting from any other base to base 10, we expand that number using the power of their bases. Once you expand, it will now give you the equivalent of the number in base 10. So I hope you enjoyed the lecture or lesson and hope to see you next time. We are going to be doing operations by next time: addition, subtraction, division. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't done so. Catch you later.